speed up in the middle of the intersection. Not even bat an eyelid, nigga, what up?
Is this what you wanted, Officer Paul? Oh. Shit, you know what I'm gonna do just to mess with you, punk? I'm gonna go steal a fucking police car and park it in your garage, bitch.
Fool, you can't even get my garage open.
Motherfucker, I know who you work for. I got the combo to your automatic electronic garage door opener, fool.
Is that right? Is that right, Norman? Let me tell you something about my electronic garage door opener. I ain't got one. I got 2 tab locks. One on each side, fool. Double pin, what up? Hey, what's happening, Brett?
Locks up in there. Motherfucker got a Rottweiler in that garage, waiting on Uncle Norm. I'm standing by. Shit.
What happened to my good friend, Brett?
Well, for...
Man, I'm trying to light my cigarette. Why Dave Bailey trying to jump in my QSO?
Hey, he's trying to get up in your garage, too.
Hey, y'all homeless niggas, stay the fuck out my garage, alright? This ain't no motherfucking train station, fool.
That fucking Brett is just like that JTD. Motherfucker got 9 cars up in the pad, got diamond fucking inlaid coffee tables, and the motherfucker's cabinet is full of top ramen and shit. I'm Steph.
Shit, nigga, I don't know what you're talking about. My feet are full of grand meat.
Yeah, you got 9 cars up in there. Got all kind of nice clothes. My motherfucker be eating top ramen and shit.
Shit, nigga, I eat good.
Hey, Brett.
Out at that fast food place. It's right around the corner.
Hello.
Going into that trivia. Get your Sunday
Brett.
duck pluck.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, go ahead, dude.
Yeah, hey, Brett. I'll be there tomorrow about 8 o'clock or so.
Or so. That's scaring me. Alright, try and get here around 8. Or if you want to head up now, that's fine. I'm home.
Now?
Then you got this.
Yeah, I don't know. You know, whatever. It's up to you. It's your call. If that's easier for you now than then. Whatever.
The bus has stopped running already. It'll be tomorrow morning.
Yeah, alright then.
Let you check out my fly hookup.
Your what?
I'll show you tomorrow.
Oh my.
Now Brett has a home.
You guys now have a power supply. Have a power supply, Brett. Alright, collect battery charge. KE6VWN clear.
Got the home.
Alright, homeboy. Peace out, G. If you only had a brain for Norman.
Hey, well, we ain't gonna work with
Finally, little boy.
Just get your homo houseboy to do your undershorts. Wash that ass.